Hey guys, we are doing the sour taste test. I got 4 items, and all of these I tried except for one. I already tried this one, but I'm gonna retry it. I already tried it when I was restarting the video. Let's start with blue. All right.
Sometimes I feel like my friends and family coming.
It's pretty good. It's a 2 out of 10 on the sour list, though. It's not that sour. Next, we're trying lemon heads. 3, 2. Okay, let me get one. All right.
The big moment. This is going to decide our next stage in our life.
It was a 1 out of 10 on the sour list, but it tasted pretty good though. We got this sweet sour warheads. Let's do watermelon. I mean black cherry because it's always the sourest. This is the wrapping. This is the candy. I'm nervous because trying this always gives me shivers, and I know it's gonna be sour. 3, 2, 1.
So what I told Josh is it just seemed like we were looking for men in there.
I know that you're best friend with Josh, so they were against you. I understand.
No, I'm not against you. I was there to pick up the pieces when he had his last.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
I picked up all those pieces, so I know how much pain that caused.
It's still in my mouth. I'm not gonna chew it because hard candy.
But give it time, and he'll come around.
But yeah,
You'll find eventually.
6 out of 10 on the sour list.
All of this because I
And
don't want to see that.
7 out of 10 on the sour list. Very sour. Finally, the one I'm excited about. Sour Grumpy Bears. Made by Warheads. These smell kinda odd. Alright.
Always ready.
This K1 visa interview is the most important step of the process. Basically, the one that makes the decision on whether or not we're
0 to 10 on the sour list, and it kind of tastes a bit off.